One of the things I like to talk to my patients about is combining herbs, medicinal herbs, into the food. And so we could actually make one of my favorite recipes called 8 Treasures Soup or 8 Treasures Congee. We can either take these 8 ingredients and put them in with our favorite chicken soup recipe, or we can make a traditional congee like I've got here and eat that as a nice, healthy, sustaining meal. 8 Treasures is designed to be 8 grams, and there's a magical reason for using the number 8, of different herbs and foods that tonify both our qi and our blood. So we're going to use 8 of dazao dates, which are these here, 8 grams of longyan ro, Lonigan fruit, 8 grams of baishao, white peony, 8 grams of dongguai, a very famous blood tonic. So those are all herbs that can help to tonify our blood. Now we're going to tonify our qi some. And so we've got some baizhu, also known as atractalodes, shanyao, which is a type of a yam, huangqi, which some people know as astragalus. I always make jokes about being tongue depressors. And one of my favorites is dongshen, also known as Catanopsis, that we use sometimes instead of ginseng. So we put all of these in our pot. We can add in about a cup of rice and then cover it all with about 8 to 10 glasses of water, and we end up with this. If we want to add a little color to it, we can add some goji berries or gochiza as we know it. We can either add them in the beginning, into our pot, or into our bowl of rice after the fact.